until them broke.
To me, good Tiger. Listen to me, good Tiger. You know what I would ask these people to do? Do a DNA of that guy that they unalive and a DNA on that little girl to find out if that DNA is matched. I go on my bed with that last night and wake up with it this morning.
Listen, I have proof of somebody when me on my phone and talk to yesterday. And I said, let me tell you something. Yes, there is overwhelming evidence. And you see, why you think me asked the question look while? Why you think I asked her the question? Because she said that they pull on his shoulder and see blood. But I'm hearing from yesterday that the guy beard and go walk and go
the road. Yes.
So,
right?
Come on.
But then again, Tiger, not because he's that kind of person, right? And he pull down his pants or whatever, and them see it have to be off that little girl, right? Next thing, they say he confessed, and the father alone saying confess. How many hear nobody else saying confess?
Yeah, man.
We might look fool, but we're not so fool. God can't fool, but they not keep them.
Me up on the phone yesterday and the person that's live right now and listen what you say. And me say everything what you say now to the person yesterday.
The father alone say he confess to him. Me not hear him confess to nobody else.
Me agree with what you are saying, Lava. Yes, I agree and I agree, Tiger. But that is not what I really cut up about, to know that you send a little girl, you know, that age, and you know that whether that guy was in the community or not, I don't think in this time what going on. And to we all me see them walking is like the place is lonely to me. It not look like people is there to see nothing. You know, it's like a lonely place, you know?
Man of God, what I am saying, right?
Yeah.
And this is what I like to do, facts, because all of what we're doing now is speculation, but what I am saying is this. If the grandmother put her, because that's what they're telling us, you know, the grandmother put her in a car and the car was meant to take her back.
Yes.
So if that was the case, the taxi man need to come to the front of the line.
Of course.
Because
but me didn't hear that. You know, is your no something now at the first me hear the taxi, and all along the father talk, me never hear him talk about any taxi either, you know.
Can I say something? Good morning.
Good morning.
Can I say something, please? I'm not cutting you.
Go on.
No taxi don't just. They're just making up things. That is not true.
Yeah,
they're just making up things about taxi. No taxi take the little girl. The little girl after the little girl after pass the boy the money yard to go to the shop, and they know that they should never send the little girl alone.
And that me saying too. I not think the little girl alone should go. You know, and that is my point. That is my point.
Look man again, Tiger. You know, me look man again, sorry. You know, me look man again. This boy doing it as trend. I do it, I get out. I do it, I get away. I do it, I get out. I do it, I get away. So the boy not care about no unalive. The boy would have just do it and go sit down again. You hear? You see, whosoever do it to the little girl, Tiger, knows the little girl. That's why they unalive. Little girl know them like a hand niggle. That's why they unalive little girl, because the little girl have a talk, say, this I want to do it. So the one where they unalive now, him a go out there because the little girl, they know the two person different. That's why they take the little girl life.
So she can't talk, she can't identify.
So the family, them a come out strong, Tiger, because they want to paint the picture and feed them way like say, yes, oh, it's just this boy do it and it's this boy fight. Until then, do one DNA, pandit the boy and the girl, the baby. My surface say it hurt, it's hot, but until I do it, that may believe. And somebody gonna need to have more culprit over there because somebody say them people them in a Trelawney, that's all they walk and molest people picking you and grape them off. More over there. Somebody get the fine opportunity to take this chance.
I am 3,000,000% behind a DNA testing, and the reason why I'm saying that, right? And as I said, the person that I was on the phone to right yesterday was in the live, and whatever Lava said is like Lava was reading my mind yesterday, because that's what I'm saying. I just don't. I am that person where you can't just come sell me nothing and give me feed me nothing. So because it's very ironic that a one person here, this guy confess. It's very, because let me tell you something. If the guy didn't run, and if him knows him do it, and I'm going to say, yes, me do it. All right, me do it then. He made that run gone.
Exactly.
And if this guy have a mental health problem, that means to say whoever could have possibly do it, no, so them are going to blame him anyway.
Exactly.
That's true too.
Exactly, Tiger.
And them know him do that already, so when it all look like a him,
I am still trying to get my head around.
You have a point here.
Listen, let me tell you something. This is the part that they do where kind of
1 second, Tiger. Sorry, Tiger, I've cut it. 21, the cousin that is on my live last night said he wasn't helping them searching. Nothing like that. He never helped them search. Nothing like that. They said not. She said nothing like that. He never get the chance to go because by then going at the car for go up, they go search like with the grandmother. Somebody says see them find the little girl, so he never get up there. He never did that search none at all. That's what the cousin said on my live last night. We can screenshot it and show the face, the person picture up there, or she or post out it, and then we see her up there. She said he did not went to search. He never go. Right? But you know what catch me, Tiger? The family coming out with too much things surrounding this. They just find the picture just for the boy alone. And pay a lie.
No. So what you do? You know how we got to work. Don't correct them. Make them run out.
Me not correct them. Make them run out. So like this man, you know me there, so me I do the feed and they make get the request to the boss. So I say no. You know me I have to go stop and come here. So no. Because here what? Right? Every day is a different story. Me not correct them. But at the end of the day, they sound so stupid. They're being stupid now.
No, they don't understand. So we are people who are going to sit back the floor to see if they do evil then. So they can't just give them an one because. But let me tell you what flipped my brain and I want to flip more squad yesterday. And this is what flipped my brain yesterday why I'm starting twice. Because let me tell you something. No human being, man or woman, have a sound mind. Is not going to grape and unalive a baby and put beard and go sell can. You have to be a psychopath to do that thing like that. You cannot tell me, say, a sound mind person, a very sound mind, grape and unalive a baby, beard put on your clothes and go to the road and sell can. Nothing no go so. Nothing no go so.
You know which part me not like Tiger? Because I don't care if they want to come at me. You see the grandfather, the man will go up there and say, oh, somebody go over there and see the bush broke down. And see the slippers. And say, see one slippers there. When me go, me say the little boy slippers. The little boy slippers she wear go a shop. Him never did the yard, but him knows the little boy slippers he wear go to the shop.
Very ironic it is.
You see? You go and see the little girl in your yard. And all you did the Tiger, sip your rum and boom. And just a simple talk. The alarm start holla. If you're so concerned. Something just not add up with this.
Yeah, man,
something not rest well with this with me. In a rest well at all.
Listen, right now, when me I go push forward for, I would like a DNA to done between the little girl and the boy.
And the man. And
that will take place.
And who?
Good morning.
Blessings.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
You know what? This case reminds me so much of Jaden case in a way. I think most of these family members are not speaking the truth. And I'm saying if the grandmother had really put the child on a taxi, you don't think, with everybody talking and all that's going on, you don't think the taxi guy would have come up front and say, yes, me did drop her off at the shop or whatever. I don't believe she was put on any taxi. And I'm saying if she gonna go to the shop to put her on taxi to go to the shop and come back, why the granny then never go to the shop herself? Why didn't she go on the taxi and go to the shop herself and come back? Something just, they're not speaking the truth. Everybody's have a different story. This is really such a sad situation though.
So I want the police them to get a warrant to DNA.
Yeah, they need to. Yes, they need some DNA need to be done because as much as this guy's it not necessarily have to be him who did it.
Listen, from
Yeah?
I have been listening on live. I've been on live for hours listening with my APs, and from what